Hello guys, welcome back to Proggy. This is the third part of small PDF tool series. So if you have not watched the part 1 or part 2, please go and watch that. Important steps regarding installation are there in that particular part. So in this part 3, I will first show you how to lock a particular PDF through password. So for that, you have to go to the small PDF tools panel, go to more tools. You have to scroll a bit down and here you can see the protect option. So click on that and now it is asking you for a password. So let's give a password test123, repeat it and click on protect. So now let us see what happens when we try to open a protected file. So as rightly it is asking for a password, so let's give that and now we can open it. Great. The next thing I want to show you is how to unprotect already protected file. So in just the last part, you saw how we added the password to a PDF file. Now we'll remove the password from the same PDF file. For that, I have opened the file and from here, click on More Tools. And this unlock had to be pressed, but I am seeing this repeated problem is coming. Something went wrong. So just don't worry, just click on start over. I think so there is some bug in this software. Scroll a bit down, you will see unlock PDF. So click on that. You choose the file. So I am choosing the protected file. So I have uploaded the file. Now let's see what happens. So let me add the password. Okay, so now it is working on unprotecting. Let's download it. So now you can see a new file has been downloaded and it says it is unlocked. So let's see if on opening that we face any issues of password or not. So no issues at all. So the password is successfully removed. The next feature which I want to show you is how to rotate the pages in a PDF. For that, go to More Tools and from there just scroll a bit down and you will find rotate. Click on that. So all the pages of your file will be shown now. So I am just rotating a few pages. Let's say the first and second page I want to rotate. Click on finish and let me download it. So now this file has been downloaded and correctly the first two pages have been rotated. Great, isn't it? The next feature is extracting pages from a PDF. For that, again, click on More Tools. When I say extracting, basically getting a particular number of pages from the PDF. Let's see what that means. So click on this extract pages now. So technically you can print this PDF or split it and get the pages, but it could be cumbersome. For that, a simpler way is better. So you just click on the pages which you need. So let's say I clicked on the last two and the third and fourth page only. I click on finish and successfully have downloaded the file. So now you can see it contains only 4 pages and the pages which are, I chose in that selection. The next feature is signing a PDF document. So note that this is not a digitally signed signature. This is just a normal signature. So how to do that? You click on More Tools. After that, you have to click on this sign option. Now you have to add your signature actually. For that, if you are already logged in, it will save your signature. But I am creating it for let's say I want to create it for the first time. Let me delete the old one. and add a new. So I can type it, upload it, whatever seems good. Let me draw one. So my signature is created and I have to just place it where I want. So that's it. And after that, you can click on download and let's see the file. So now you can see the file is I have come with signature. You can of course create complicated signatures which are combination of drawings, text, etc. Now let's come to the final feature which you might use often. So this is summarizing a PDF. So for that, in the small PDF tools, this option will come. Just click on that. So this will analyze your PDF with AI. Now you just write here, summarize the PDF. So here you can see the summary has been generated. Now this may or may not be to your liking, but that's a feature, right? One final point, whatever I showed you in this three-part series, all the way through the free plan of small PDF. In the free plan, you will get some limited number of downloads per 5 hours, I guess, like 5 or 10 downloads. I think so that should be enough for most. If you see the limit getting hit, just wait for a few more hours and then, you know, come back to that, and that should work. You don't need to buy a pro plan for that. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you have any question related to PDFs, just put it down into your comments and I will make sure to answer all of the questions. Like, share, and subscribe this video and the series if it was of any help to you. And thank you for watching. I will be back soon with a new video. Thank you.